Okay, this one, 50 years in the same house, and there's supposed to be chandeliers and furniture. So, we'll see. It starts in 1 minute, and today's first day.
Nice.
So
We're almost there.
just park right there.
Yep.
Okay, let's get going. So I guess it's on, even though
Let's go.
it's just one now.
They may have just opened the door.
Well, it's on the front lawn, so.
Hey, how are you? Good. That was Nancy's helper.
Oh, yeah. I thought I saw her when I was walking up, but I don't see any chandeliers. Might have to ask if I don't find them.
See any what?
Chandeliers.
Oh.
That looks old and chippy. What is it?
It's wood.
Yeah, it's curved. That looks like it was from over a door.
What do you call it? A transom?
No, that's a window.
Oh.
That's over a door.
Your ad said something about chandeliers. That's one right there?
Yeah, one. So did you get to go see that stuff?
I couldn't find the ad.
Okay, well it was a lady. Her mom was
Oh, boy.
like 90 years old, and she's from England. And honestly, there was so much stuff there that I was overwhelmed when I left.
Wow.
She said $200
She's looking more for
everything,
crystal
but you could've
chandeliers.
gave her $100 and took it all.
Oh boy, okay. Karen?
No, that's not quite
Not
right.
quite what you want?
No.
Okay.
It's
And
nice,
that's the
though.
other one right there.
Oh, I see. Okay. That's interesting too.
Isn't it? Yeah, I thought so.
Crazy.
And would you happen to know these wood pieces back there on this other rack?
Were they from over doors?
Those old white wooden pieces right here.
Yes,
That's from over a door?
windows.
Windows.
I believe it was windows. They were on the 1739 Scarth Street, probably the early 1900s, probably
The building was
about
built then?
1915, 1920.
Okay.
And when they were demolishing, I salvaged them.
Oh.
And how long ago was that?
How long has the Cornwall Center been there?
Oh, goodness.
A while.
As long as I can remember.
Yep.
And that's why that building was taken down. But I was hoping that I would get around to making use of them.
Yeah, it's very interesting. What are you wanting for them?
Too much, probably. $10 each interest you?
I'm like you though. I'm like, what am I gonna do? I just think they're really interesting.
Not made out of
Oh, plastic. Yeah,
wood or-
that's true.
I'm amazed at some of the
Like, how many people could make that nowadays? Even,
well, it would cost too much.
it would.
Things
Yeah.
like that, they probably want $100 just for the workmanship in it.
I don't know if I want to spend $10 each.
It's okay.
Yeah, they're so interesting, but that looks old, eh? Old glove.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Isn't that a pretty set, eh?
Yes.
It's popular pattern. People. Oh, there's stuff in there too.
Oh.
Saskatchewanians. Just prominent people from our province.
Yeah.
Huh. Interesting.
Oh, that looks old. Do we want that or
I don't know. Do you? Like,
Eh.
it's more your thing than my thing.
1893? I think we'll grab that one. It's not too
Two.
bad. Yeah, I think that's okay.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, start looking. What's that one there?
This one?
No, one beside it. Yeah.
Right here?
Oh, okay. United States of America emblem on the front.
Oh, is there?
Yeah. 1868. It's a pretty cool one. There, now I can probably come and look beside you.
Like they're old, but none of them are really like spectacular.
Well, I want this one.
Okay.
These two.
Okay.
This is United States of America.
Cool. Yeah, that's pretty neat.
Yeah. And then,
1868.
yeah.
Wow.
I know. And then this
150
one.
years.
This one's nice too. I like. The other ones, no? Did you check the
I
dates
just
on them?
wasn't big on the other ones.
What about over here?
Can I pet your dog? Hi, buddy. Hi.
Aw.
Hello.
Is it hot
What's your
for
name?
you, baby?
He's not interested.
Wonder why we're not biking still.
Oh.
Good stuff.
Big dog.
Yeah, he's only 9 months.
Is he really? Oh my God. You're gonna go broke feeding him. Yeah.
Oh, clay beads.
Somebody forgot about their tea.
Oh, I hope that's
Whatever
tea.
that is.
You can. It's probably free sips if you want one.
Try it.
You go ahead.
Have a sip.
You
Free sips.
free sips. The nice door and the nice door onto the garage there. This remind me of those other little boots you got. So they're vintage boots.
Alligator skin? Or no, just
Well,
textured
just
leather.
textured, but they are leather, I think. $1. Jeez. So good.
They're nice.
They are nice.
You can try it on if you want.
Yeah, if you want to try. I didn't see us. Oh, 8.5.
I was gonna say it looks about the right size.
Now it might be a bit small for you.
Oh yeah, they're just a tad small.
Oh, they're pretty styling though.
I know they are. I like them.
Like how much too small? Like where your toes get
pushing-
sore?
Yeah, I think so. After a while, they
no,
will.
if they don't fit, then you can't. But those are really nice. Yeah, too bad. So just the books then?
I think
Oh,
so.
and those. I think I'll leave those curved.
Yeah, for $40.
Yeah,
That's pretty up there.
it is. $2. Thank you. Oh.
Hi, kitty.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Aren't you?
Tuxedo.
Well, move closer so that she doesn't have to stretch.
Yeah, we're just moving stuff out. Oh, do you have a question or something?
Hey.
Tuxedo.
Yeah.
Who's the
Maybe I
little
shouldn't do
sweetie?
that. Just gonna pull all the plants over. Hi, sweetie. Oh, can I pet you too? Oh, aren't you sweet? Oh, you're so pretty. So dainty.
Perfect size, I said.
Yes. Oh, she's so pretty. Yes, are you a good girl? Yeah. Yeah, right there. Is that the good spot? Yeah. Oh, hello. Yeah. Well, I'm glad we made it to this one.
Yeah.
Got a couple of old books.
Okay, it's going again.
Okay. This one has United States of America emblem on it, which I thought was kind of interesting. Front and back has the same.
Yeah, super neat.
Yeah. I mean, this one's pretty rough, but it's pretty old. 1868 at the bottom of the page there. So, I mean, that's a pretty old book. Voter's textbook. Documents and statistics connected with the political history of America. Compiled from official records with biographical, ooh, there's a bug on it, and historical sketches.
Show the other book again, just in case it SD card error.
Oh yeah, there's a flower in here.
Yeah, I know. There's more than one.
Oh, is there? I didn't really look
There's another one.
through it yet. Where's the money? National Democratic Platform of 1864.
Wow.
That would be interesting to read.
It would be.
Anyway, I thought that was a neat book.
Yeah.
And this one, Manual of Law and Forms. There's leather there and on the corners. And then this one is 1893. The bottom of the page there.
Cool.
Yeah.
Really neat. This is going to look good on the bookshelf.
Yeah, they are interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's all we got at that sale.
Hey guys, thanks again for coming with us on another great picking adventure. Keep hitting that like button, guys, if you like our videos. It sure helps to push this video out to people who don't know about us yet, and it's a great way to support our channel. And if you haven't yet hit that subscribe button, go ahead, click that button. It doesn't cost you a thing, and you'll get notified for every new video we put out. Which is a good thing, you know? We love you guys. Thanks again. We love all your support, all your love, all your great comments. Keep them coming, and we'll see you next time. On to the next.